PSEI, holding on to dear life. Mga cryptocurrencies, nagmistulang roller coaster. Elon Musk, naging human indicator. All this and more in this week's Aldo's Analysis. Stay tuned. Kumusta mga kapatid? Nandito na naman tayo para manghula ng presyo-presyo sa stock market or sa cryptocurrency, be it in the Philippine Stock Exchange or the cryptoverse. Bibigyan ko kayo ng mga malulupit na hula na minsan lang nagkakatotoo. Tapos yung mga nagkakatotoo, tsamba-tsamba ko lang po yun. Huwag po kayo maniwala sa akin. Kasi hindi po ako financial advisor. Dito lang ako para tumitingin ng mga technical analysis. So as always, please invest responsibly. For today, we'll be looking at the PSEI as always and some trending stocks pala and kung ano na nangyari sa crypto market. Tindi pala ni grabe si Elon Musk. Tindi. Isang tweet lang, one snap of the Twitter finger and the whole cryptoverse is ewan in chaos. Yun lang masasabi ko. But first, let's go to the charts. Tingnan natin yung PSEI muna dito sa local Philippines Stock Exchange. As you can see, wala pa rin pinagbago. PSEI is continuing to fall down in this, making a resistance in this trend line here. Strong resistance in this trend line. Ilang beses na siya nauntog? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 at gagayahin niya kaya or susundan niya kaya yung pattern ng trend. Nauntog kasi siya dito sa may this MA20 is now forming a resistance for it. At ngayon, pati sa MA13 na, no? So it's PSEI is trading below the lines, all the lines already. RSI bugbog sarado na. It's in the oversold levels. It's hovering just slightly above the oversold levels at 30. MACD, eto, nag-uuntugan na. So this kailan ba yung grabe yung recovery niya dito, no, sa part na to? Kailan ba to? May 14, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Monday, Friday ba to? Kahabang recovery, kahabang week niyan. So it's a hammer doji. Na-touch niya pa yung 6,000 mark. 6,080. My gulay. We are approaching 6,000 already. Ang tanong, makakarating kaya siya dun sa 6,000 level? Kasi nakakabahala na yun. 6,000 psychological level is the level to see here. Kung natagos niya to and nag-close siya below 6,000, hindi ko na alam kung saan pupulutin ang PSEI. But on the other hand, if you take a look at the weekly charts, I saw something here. Doesn't this look like a symmetrical triangle to you? May resistance siya dito. Maybe kung may i-adjust natin ng konti. Ayan. to get more touches. Are we seeing this pattern? Ganito kaya mangyayari? Dump, pump, pump. Paano ba mag-brush dito? We're going to see a pattern like this, which will probably go upside, downside. Well, makikita natin yun in the coming months, weeks. Shoutout kay Tita Vlogs. We still have 240. Alam ba to? Up to the end of the year, makikita natin kung i-respect niya tong pattern na to. And then we'll see where the market goes from there. But from the weekly, RSI is still going down to oversold levels. It is approaching some sort of support here. Which coincides with this line. We will see tomorrow kung ano yung galawan niya. Let's go back to the dailies. Ayan. We may see it go even further to 6.1. But kung 6,000, kung tatagusin niya to sa 6,000, it will invalidate our pattern here. Sana naman hindi. Sana matapos na itong let the bleeding stop. Sana matapos na. Okay. Now we'll review the stocks. Let's start with ACEN. All-time favorites. Maraming nagsisilabasan ng mga balibalita tungkol sa ACEN. ACEN, I think, is still consolidating. Huge buying power, buying volume here in last May 14 nga. Yung tumalbog yung ano natin, yung PSEI natin, no? So the confluence is there. Nagkaka-jumble. Nakikita nyo ito, nagkaka-jumble na yung mga lines natin, mga MAs natin, no? Cross intersecting in this part here. Let me see if I can get something out of this senseless. Ganito ba yan? Ganyan ba yung drawing? Bullish pennant maybe? I don't know. But it is consolidating in this area. Here to here. Grabe consolidation, ang laki. Laking box naman yan. Probably somewhere like that. Even a Darvas box, man. Invalidate that. I'm going with this pattern here. Malapit na siya, no? Let's see. In a few days time, it will decide where to go. Break out, break down. We will see. RSI. RSI hovering in the middle. Consolidation goes also with the MACD consolidating also. It is still below zero, but fairly trying to hold on here. I'll plot this as my support. Where's this multi-year? No, still playing here. Still playing here in these support levels at 6.7, 6.9. Resistance. Probably here in my line here, the upper side of my pattern. Subjectively my resistance. Next is here at the 7.55. 7.3-ish levels. 7.5. Today it closed at 7.05, so it has some resistance, immediate resistance here in the MA50 and probably in MA100. So the moving average still proves to be very good indicator in this particular market. It's well respected and used a lot. 7.06 immediate resistance here at the 7.6 at yun naman pala, meron naman palang may isa pang support dito at the 6.98 level. So this is my support resistance in ACEN, and I will try to follow what will happen with this pattern here. I'm excited to see it in the coming days. Sumusobra na ako. Maka-copyright na ako dito. Ayan. So that's for ACEN. BDO. Does it still find ways? Let's see. Consolidation is getting a little tighter here. The sideways movement. Ayan na po siya. Is it also making a pattern? Not quite. Not really, but maybe it's something like this. Oh, goodness me. That's not good. If you put this here, yeah, no. I can put it in the Darbo's box. This is a descending triangle. If my drawing is correct, this is a descending triangle. And maybe we'll see it going to the downside. Really? What's happening to BDO? Can interpret this as a descending triangle, yes. Aray po. It's respecting some kind of Darvas box here. Wala na nga Darvas box. This pattern might be making a descending triangle. Let's check it in the weekly. So weekly excuse me. Sa weekly ganun nga. It's the same. It's forming some sort of descending triangle here. This does not bode well for BDO. Because usually descending triangle, they evolve into a breakdown. Sana naman yung pattern ma-invalidate, ano? Let's see the MAs. For those of you who are new here, video, I think, is one of the blue chips. Very huge market cap. So hindi masyadong gumagalaw to, no? Mas siguro 1%, 2%, point something percent lang per kung gumalaw to, no? So hindi siya masyadong exciting tignan. But here it's not good. It's almost trading all below all the lines save for one, the MA 200 on the dailies. Final support 99.68. You can still find supports here at the 102.3. Sige, baba na lang natin. And then sa pa na 102.3. Is it multi-year? I'm not seeing anything. Ayan. 102.5. Nagbabounce-bounce na siya dun sa may support na to. Immediate support and then 101. Resistance, I would put it in the M13, coinciding with almost all here. Hindi naman masyadong malayo yung mga nila, mga presyo nila dito. 1.5, 1.3, 1.42. Immediate resistance will be here, and it has to break all the lines, MA50 and the MA20, and then still somewhere here in 106, and lastly it should break the MA100, but that remains to be seen as above average selling volume here, as we can see. PSEI anyari playing here in the RSI, lalaro lang siya dito. Nauntog na ata siya dun sa support niya. Nauntog na, bumagsak, nasalo na siya dun sa support, and it's probably going to aim to go up maybe tomorrow. Let's see. Sa may hawak nito, check na lang kung mangyayari nga na umakyat bukas, because it's already 3 days selling above average selling volume. These are my supports and resistance for video. Next dito, grabe ito kahapon, mega bounce sale. How many percent? 28.8%. My goodness, I've never seen something like this. Yung ginawa nandito since dun sa kanyang ito na yung previous na biglang tumaas na ganito, no? But isang malaking puwet. But as you can see here, dun sa linap natin na support noon, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko plinat to, meron na siyang resistance. Good news, it touched the resistance here. Bakit nga ba ito ang support ko nun? Okay, yung isa psychological, yung isa yung dami nag-TP dito. So nauntog pa siya dun sa nauntog siya dito sa may MA50 that is continuing to bulusok downward. Saan siya sinalo, and sinalo siya dito dun sa kanyang previous opening nung March 22. But oh my goodness, what happened to dito? Umabot pa siya ng 7, oh. So yung nakakuha dito sa 7, wow, congratulations, ang galing nyo sumalo. You would have had today 30% gain. Na goods. Bawing-bawi. So let's just close. Erase na nga natin to. Ascending pattern, ascending triangle is already invalidated. So we're trying to make a new pattern. Hindi ko na alam kung ano nangyari sa dito. Oops. So it it was already trading below MA 200 tapos biglang nag-bounce. So ano yung basis nila dito? Maybe it's a Fibonacci retracement. Fibonacci retracement from the previous mid low. Wala ko paano nila ginawa. Maybe from here to here. I can't really see anything sa Fibonacci, no? So most probably nakita nilang below MA 200. Ano nga ba dito? Ayan. Okay, so they closed in 7.63, the same closing here last December 7, 2020. At the start, medyo nag-start nung umakyat dito, no? So dun sila nag-base mostly nung bumagsak siya from MA 200, tapos bounce back, maybe bounce back siya. And now it's trying to maintain that. Let's try to maintain that support here sa may 9.4 or maybe lower if you want to call that one, 9.35. It's trying to hold on for dear life dyan, and we have a huge resistance here in the MA 50. So tinagos nyo na yung MA 13, MA 20. So next resistance would be the MA 50 here. Let's see kung kaya tagusin. We may find this area difficult, the 10.5, and maybe up. But if it's still going down, wala pa siyang pattern ng downtrend kasi nabasag dito, breakout ulit siya. So RSI is here. Dalawang beses na siyang tumagos dun sa RSI natin. Patusok pababa. Now the support turned resistance for the RSI. So meron rin siyang ugaling tinatagos niya yung RSI niya dito, no? Ayan. So bounce back. Ngayon nag-hover na siya dun sa medyo gitna, which is the resistance of dito. MACD below 0, still playing. Okay, next. Dito naman tayo. PHA struggling. Parang kamukha lang ni dito to. Still on a downtrend. PSEI still not looking good until now. Napakahirap mesh ng kalagayan ng PSEI. Still in a downtrend. Only the EMA to MA 200 stands between hell it and hell. It's forming resistance already at the EMA 13. Expect to see some expect to see some consolidation right here. Itong gap na to from the previous, ito talaga yung mahirap i-break outan eh. We need to break out in the 1.8 and try to break through these lines here before going back to this Darvas box over here. So yung mga nag-accumulate dito, siguro gagawa na naman siya ng ganitong pattern dito sa baba niya. And that's very difficult to look at. Granting na konti lang yung dagdag bawas dito sa PHA, malaki na yung percentage. malaki na yung percentage. RSI not looking good as well. It's already in oversold levels. If kung gusto nyo sumalok dyan, ewan ko, bahala, malaki na kayo. You can try here in the MA 200 1.27 to 1.3 and just pray to God that it bounce. It will bounce. MACD, yumuyo ko. Okay, next. Ito naman tayo para maiba naman. Palaging favorites. Doon tayo sa yung malaking influensya. Doon sa PSEI, PLDT, or more popularly known as PLDC. Kasi pangit daw yung connection. Let's see kung magko-connect dito yung kanyang trend. Napakagulo ng kanyang chart. Sa weekly na lang tayo para hindi ko maintindihan. Weekly tayo. Okay. Yan. Yon. It's forming a resistance here in EMA 13. Sinubukan yung lampasan yung EMA 13 pero hindi talaga kinaya. Nagkaroon siya ng resistance dito. Tapos bumalik sa EMA 13 at bumalik sa baba ng EMA 13 at nauntog na siya dito. Support, ilang beses na siyang nagsuporta dito sa MA 100. Ayaw talagang bumigay, which is pretty good. And now we will try to see if gagawa siya ng box dito. This is not going well. Hindi ko alam kung double tap yung matatawag dito. Pero familiar ako sa pattern na to eh. Ito yung ginawa ng MM. The M pattern is always, hindi naman always, pero pag nakakita ko ng ganyan na pattern, medyo kinakabahan ako. But hopefully it will respect this Darvas box here and try to consolidate. Consolidate muna. Huwag yung volatility na yan. Walang ganyan dito sa blue chips. And maybe go to the upside. Plotted my supports and resistances. Tama na yung brush. Enough with the brush. Nag-sketchbook na eh. Ano ba? Ayan. Ayan, nawala na lahat. Nawala lahat ng sketch ko. Ayan. So, i-rewind nyo na lang kung nasa yung support resistance. Ayan yung resistance natin dito. At EMA 13. EMA 13. Next, MA 20. Before pa dyan, meron pa nga dito sa may 1277, 1289. Support. I'm banking on MA 100 to support. If not, I think this one here, multi-year support. No, but it's having a lot of touch points. Right over here. We're somewhere here in 1211. RSI, nagitna na. Napunta na sa gitna. MACD is about to cross. Tingnan natin to. MACD is about to cross. That's interesting. Let's see if it will continue maybe tomorrow. 1 second. Break muna. We'll be right back. And we're back. We're back, mga kapatid. This time, we'll be reviewing what happened to the cryptoverse this past week. Ano nangyari? We saw Bitcoin dip. Today, on its lowest 30,000 USD. It's the lowest it went since January 11 at tumagos siya dun sa MA 200. At sino may pakana? Sino pa nga ba? Di si Elon Musk at ang kanyang mga cryptic tweets. So, ginawa na tayo katatawanan mga investors dito sa crypto market. Pinaglalaroan lang ang ating mga puso at isipan dahil alam nyo na, sa isang tweet niya lang alam nyo na mangyayari. So, advice ko lang, you can use this to your advantage. No. Kung nag-tweet siya ng bad, anong gagawin nyo? Bumili kayo. Huwag kayo magbenta, bumili kayo. Buy the dips. Nag-tweet siya ng good, anong gagawin nyo? Huwag kayo magbenta, bumili pa rin kayo. Pero pwede kayo magbenta. That's called... Pwede kayo magbenta. Benta kayo sa taas. Yeah, buy on top. I mean, sell on top pala. Magbenta kayo sa taas. And then, pag nag-bad news na naman siya, bili ulit kayo sa baba. And profit. Repeat. rinse and repeat. Ika nga. So, anong nangyari? Saan nga ba yung balita ni Elon Musk dito ata? Kahapon ba yun? Kung maalala. Wala akong pakel because I'm holding Bitcoin. Hodl lang po. Hodl lang po ako sa Bitcoin. Bahala ka dyan, Elon Musk. But I'm not saying na yun rin yung gagawin nyo. It is your money, your responsibility. Tignan natin yung daily. So Bitcoin in a bit of a downtrend dahil kay Elon Musk, and also meron din nagsasabi dahil dun sa Wyckoff. Dun sa Wyckoff pattern is ginagawa niya na daw yung pattern na yon. But for me, this MA200 still works as a resistance na, no? Naging resistance na yung MA200. So, ouch. Masakit yun. Here at the 39,000. Quite a rejection here. And coming back to MA200. Huge sell-off here yesterday. Niwala kayo kay Elon Musk, pinaglalaroan lang kayo. Huwag kayong benta ng benta. So I think we have a support here. Exactly on the bounce back here. And multiple supports. Multiple touches in the support. MA200 remains to be a huge resistance. MA. And then we'll be trying to break this 44,000 if it breaks this MA200, no? Bitcoin went to oversold levels, below oversold levels na. Last time it went to this one, magkano pa lang yung Bitcoin noon? Naman di pa nakikita sa chart, nandito pa sa baba. Last time it went there, it was at $8,000. So let's see if it will try to hold this immediate support here. Saan nga ba? Ayan. It's actually a good immediate support. Naipit na siya dito. Let's hope and pray that it will break this MA200 going here, and it must break the lines here before going through another run upstairs. If you were a hodler and you bought on dips at the lowest, you would have had 40%. Sorry, 45% at the highest when you sold here. Or you would have 32% if you already sold on the MA200. MACD is not looking good. Papuntang baba. Okay. RSI, yun nga. Nauntog na ba siya dito? Nag-form ba siya ng resistance dito? Tignan natin ang closing. Mamaya ba yun? Tingnan lang natin sa closing, and then we'll see another, let's see another candle here for the follow-up. Ethereum, mega dive following Bitcoin is our major altcoin. Ethereum, it went down as much as 27% from peak, 27% yesterday. Bounced off MA100 and found support here exactly at 2450. Pwede pa nating baba ng konti. Ayan, 2426. Yan na yun. Found some support there. Second support. Heavy support here in the 2-2 matibay. Matibay-tibay itong MA100. It tried to touch twice already. And it's going up. But this candle is not yet. Hindi pa po ito sarado. And it is already touching our MA50, which is the pagkuhan siya, no? Nauntog siya sa MA50. We must break MA50 and find a way to break also this 2950 to continue to the 3000 levels. When we use our fib retracement, this is a heavy swing low. So nagko-coincide nga siya dun sa may fib retracement natin. Yeah. Right here, kung makita 2.7 and the fib 2.8, malapit na. So naipit siya dito sa may fib retracement between 0.786 and 0.618 here. It has to break that to get to 3.1. Okay, RSI trying to rise to mid levels, but the MACD, as I said, sinabi ko ba? Hindi ko alam. MACD nag-cross na yung red at blue, pababa siya. Heavy sell off here, so expected. Right now it's trying to hold on, trying to break that MA50. 4-hourly chart. What's the situation in the 4-hourly chart? Ayan ka na naman, 4-hourly. Lag ka na naman eh. Yan. 4-hourly. Yeah. Nauntog doon sa MA. Sa EMA 30 niya. But it's trying to go up. Okay. We will see later on. Chainlink. First time ko tong i-review. So daily ka nga. Holy hell. Napunta sa hell. Napakalaking red candle nito. 37% down. And bounce off the MA200. So yung nakakuha nito dito sa MA, mga dugong AB. Tita Vlog, sorry. Yung patent mo na naman ginaya ko. Sorry. Yung mga matitibay ang sigmura at sumalo dito sa MA200. Congrats. Meron kayong 22.9%. Oh, dito sa MA200 mismo, paano yung mga sumalo dito pa sa baba? Yung sobrang dugong kwan na ito eh. True-blooded warrior. Kaya nga. Mga sugalero, mga sugalele. Congrats, 22% sa inyo. Found support here. Multiple touches. Reasonable support. Resistance somewhere here. The $31 mark. And the next resistance would be here. On 32, and it should have final resistance before breaking the MA 100 right here. Chainlink, we just recently had an all-time high like other altcoins, like most of the altcoins. And then super heavy sell off here before bouncing back to MA200. We'll see if ito nga, sinubukan niya nga marami na ng TP dito before, just below the MA 100. That's a very good strategy actually. Ginagamit ko rin minsan yan, yung mag-TP ka just below an indicator. But not particularly in this one, but for some of my short-term trades, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Pero hindi ko sinasabing gawin nyo rin. You have your own strategies, develop your own strategies to be profitable in this kind of market. Ay, hindi ko pa na-review. Na-review ko na ba ito? We have yung sa RSI niya at saka MACD. Parang hindi pa ata. Downtrend. I don't know, maybe this uptrend. Nasira na kasi yung kanyang uptrend channel here. Was supposed to make an uptrending channel. Tapos lintik na Elon Musk yan. Pinaglaruan yung buhay ng mga investor. Kaya ngayon, broke out from this, bumalik dun sa parallel channel niya, tapos biglang boom, tinagos. And that's the resistance. Yung channel na yun, sakto dun malapit na sa MA 100. Yan. Tapos tinagos niya, ayun, invalidate yung parallel channel natin, ascending parallel channel. Let's try to bounce back though. So congrats sa mga nakakuha dito from MA 200. Will you hold? Will you sell? That's up to you. MACD still going down. Blue line is already below 0 while the red line humahabol. Next, Harmony 1 USDT. Same fate as the other altcoins. Same fate as BTC. Same fate as all the other markets na biglang volatile, biglang bulusok sa taas. And gaya nga na sinabi ko dati, what goes up must come down. Ang tanong, when will it go up again? Hindi ko po masasagot yan. As you can see, nag-breakout siya dun sa channel niya ulit. Tapos, binalikan. Now, it's playing here. Doon ulit sa MA 100. Napakalakas ng MA 100, no? Ayan. Supposed to break out, tapos kinain lahat ng channel na to. Yung upper tsaka lower channel. Tapos, nag-bounce dito sa MA 100 that coincides with the lower channel, lower range of the channel. And now, it's having a Harmony now has made a resistance over to the MA 50, MA 20. Sinubukan niya tungusin yung dalawa pero hindi niya kinaya yung MA 50, bumalik ulit siya. Nauntog. MA at bumalik. That's resistance. Support is, as always, MA 100. The black line is holding once again. Next support 0.09. The next maybe this one at the 0.075. Full disclosure, meron ako nito noon na ibenta ko. Ano nga ba yung technique ko dito? Bakit? Paano ko na ibenta? Susunod na lang. Nakalimutan ko na kasi. But I think I used trend following here. Fibonacci siguro, kung maalala eh. Parang Fibonacci ata. I used Fibonacci maybe. I bought somewhere here and then I sold here the 1.7 sa may sa may parallel channel niya. But I think Fibonacci ata yung ginamit ko dito. 2 TP. Well, gain is gain, so okay na lang. Final support, MA200, RSI, playing between here and here. 1460, still in the middle. Itong MACD, naglalaro-laro pa rin. Over here, is the sell-off over? Let's wait and see. Okay, dito na tayo sa last but not least, yung kapatid ng aso, Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu po. Oh my goodness. Ito lang ba yung trade? Ito lang ba yung trade niya? Ilang araw lang? I think so. It's trading for 10 days only. And all I can tell you is boom. It's downtrend. Mahina yung takol ng aso na to. It's fine, too early. So this was supposed to be a replacement or an alternative to Dogecoin, but it seems it's not faring well dahil yung kapatid niya rin ay biglang bumulusok, sumabay sa mga major altcoins at saka sa Bitcoin. Nakisabay sa uso, pati nga yung pagbulusok nakisabay sa uso. But wala naman, pababa. It's going down. So lahat na nag-invest dito, RIP. Excuse me. So sorry guys. Well, I don't mean to offend anyone, but wow, what do you want to do here, man? It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. Pati t-shirt ko, it's going down. Going down na rin, more or less. Plunging. Down. Where's the lowest? Since this is a new one, I don't know. Try to find a fib retracement for it. The lowest point, swing low. Stop it. Okay. I think I need to do reverse Fibonacci retracement for this one. Let's see. I don't think it respected the Fibonacci retracement. So it has to break this, for me, it has to break this 0.236 barrier here to go even, have a breakout. Tapos yung swing low niya, if it falls below this line here, it will make another lower low. That's just it for Shiba. Curious tuloy ako kung ano nangyayari sa DOGE. Excuse me. Oh, okay. Special edition. Bonus. We'll review Dogecoin. Parang naboring ako din sa Shiba Inu. Dogecoin. Downtrend. Like I said. Or take care. Ingat kayo dito sa Dogecoin. Well, good news for you if you were shorting this one. But now it is trading below the lines in the 4-hourly. A little bit bounce here in the EMA 13. Also a good bounce here in the MA 50. So there's still some opportunities for trading here in the short term. If you got a bounce, if you bought a dip here, you purchased the dip here, it's a decent 29%. It's decent 29%, not gonna lie. This is still an attractive asset for all those chupiteros, mga short-term holders na gusto lang mag-profit. This is pretty good. It held on the MA 50. Let's see if it will still hold that MA 50. But like yesterday, it suffered the same fate as the other cryptocurrencies. Bagsakis bigla ng, my goodness, 30%. Anong masasabi ko sa'yo, Elon? You're evil genius, my friend. So kung di pa kayo naka-follow sa tweets ni Elon, I suggest you follow it. And kung ano sabihin niya, you have to have an action. You have to have a reaction for that. Play it to your advantage. That's all for tonight. See you. Take care and have a profitable weekend. Thank you and goodbye.